Did I jump this tree? How's that for a view? Check out that view. Old MEC backpack. 25 years old for sure. Served me well. Still serving me well. Mostly used for salmon fishing. Snow blowing off the hills. Didn't need snowshoes today. Nice hard crust underneath a bit of powder. We'll chase you now. The wolf's after you. Hi, Rosie. The other one wants attention. He'll take it in your hand, I'd say. No, they don't. See? Oh, he dropped it. He'll get it. Did it go in the water?
Yeah.
Oh, you got it. Bobbing for apples.
That one looks like it's...
He's having a dump. Here he comes. He just had to have poop first.
Oh, now the other one's gonna go like eat it.
You gotta smell it. Alright, he wants to rub on the nose too, Jules.
How do I know you get over this fence? Like it's... Oh, he's gonna take one too.
Is he?
Booker!